Welcome to Fetch, a powerful new addition to the ipaymy platform that uses algorithms, nudges, and incentives to help small businesses get paid on time and in full. Let's imagine that a savvy small business is preparing an invoice for a customer. It's a big ticket item, and the business wants to do everything possible to ensure that the customer pays quickly. Using Fetch, the business enables the incentive of an immediate payment discount at 2%, sends the invoice to the customer, and lets Fetch get to work on its behalf. The customer receives the request for payment via email right away, but gets distracted and lets time slip away. Meanwhile, the invoice due date is approaching. Fetch notices the delay and takes action automatically with an incentive, the discount of 2% offered via email for immediate payment of the invoice by the customer, which Fetch also displays to the business in a helpful timeline of activity for the invoice. The business receives the email, appreciates the discount, and acts quickly to secure it by initiating payment. Now let's imagine another scenario where our savvy small business sends a request for payment of a big ticket item, but would prefer to trade time for money. It works with Fetch to create an invoice, but forgoes the immediate payment discount in favor of an installment plan over 2 months. Right away, Fetch sends a payment request to the customer for the full amount and monitors the response. The due date arrives, and the customer still hasn't paid the invoice in full. The next day, Fetch takes action with an offer for an installment plan that eases the burden on the customer who just may not be able to pay the full amount at once. The customer appreciates the offer of 2 small, equal payments rather than 1 large payment. It initiates payment of the first installment right away and schedules an automatic payment of the second installment at the same time next month. As Fetch interacts with the customer, it also creates an audit trail for the business to review at any time. Fetch even learns from this audit trail of customer behavior to apply tags such as VIP, active, and new, which helps the business segment its customers for promotions, marketing campaigns, and other relationship management. It's smart teamwork on the new ipaymy platform.